they think that they can get specialized teachers, no? So before I recognize Father, let me just ask that question to our principals, and then I'll recognize Father.
Good afternoon, Senator Gatchalian, and good afternoon to everyone. Actually, that is one of our challenges, no? If we're going to start with this strengthened senior high school program. Right now, the school where I am assigned is only offering TVL, and the only specializations that we have is automotive, food and beverages, and computer science. So it's the reality that once a student will enroll in the school this coming school year or probably next year, if they're looking for us for an elective in which they have to take animation or illustration. So we don't have that. So they have to be contented only on what specializations or tech pro that we have in the school.
Ito po, itong mga electives na ito, kaya ba i-offer ng mga schools natin ito? Kaya ba i-offer ng mga principals natin itong mga electives? These are 50 electives.
As long as we have the teachers and resources, of course, we can offer this.
But based on this, for example, kayo po mag-i-implement, kaya niyo ho ito? Based on your current capability right now?
To only the specializations that we have, so we can offer it. But looking into that, there are 53 electives, of course not.
Hindi mahirap po, no? Because of the
Yes.
specialization.
Yes,
Okay.
and we don't have the facilities. We don't have all the facilities for this.
Okay. Yeah, Father, go ahead.
I think you hit the nail at the head. Because when you operationalize this kind of implementation of electives, even us in Don Bosco will not be able to offer the electives of 50 to be able to address the electives. And it's a logistically nightmare for a very small school to operationalize this kind of presentation of electives. And I don't know how will be the success of this kind of program when even the electives are fragmented, and I don't know how this elective can fit into the requirement of the core of the TechBook program, because the program in TechBook, in order to be recognized as a program, you need basic competencies, you need common competencies, and the core competencies. The core competencies itself, when you do the kind of separation of this kind of subject and only address it through elective, I don't know how it will catch up with the requirement of competency standards that has to be satisfied by a particular qualification. A nightmare.
Thank you, Father. Dr. De La Cruz, I think meron ba kayong comments? Or si Dr. Principal Luna?
Senator, apart from what Ma'am Nashon mentioned a while ago, I think the teachers will be prepared through the trainings that Dr. De La Cruz had said earlier. So we ask for the indulgence of DepEd to start the training earlier so that our teachers will be prepared by the opening of classes, since we are pilot implementers. Diba, sir, we cannot give what we do not have. So we would like to ask DepEd to start earlier po, DepEd Central, for the training of our teachers.
Yeah, that's where I will go into what Dr. Firido mentioned earlier, Yusek China, about the intended curriculum and the implemented curriculum. Because ako, I support this, no? I support the simplification and decongestion of the curriculum. The student choice seems like a good idea, but when you implement it, it's a challenge. It's really a big challenge. And the more choices, the more challenges, no? Because we obviously have to get specialized teachers. You have to build laboratories. You have to buy equipment and etc. No, so the intended curriculum, as what Dr. Ferido mentioned, is might be wildly different from. I mean, the implemented curriculum might be wildly different from the intended curriculum, and this is where I'll point out. I have this same research, same comment that I got from our principals in Valenzuela. I'll flash it in slide 7 of the EDCOM. EDCOM. Slide 7, ComSec. Yeah. Like for example, in this case, food and beverage services, bread and pastry production, cookery. No, these are the top choices. And I found out sa Valenzuela ganyan din eh. No, in home economics cluster is the top. We found out that it's the top because it's easy to offer. The principals for the principals, this is easier to offer because the investment, they can buy equipment from anywhere. They can get teachers who can teach these 3 home economic subjects compared to, let's say, computer programming because you have to buy computers, you have to buy specialists. So, ito yung ino-offer sa mga estudyante. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ito yung gusto ng estudyante. No? Ito lang talaga yung kayang i-offer ng school. Ito lang yung kayang i-offer ng principal because limitado rin yung power ng principal o limitado yung pondo ng principal to buy equipment. So my question to DepEd is, aren't we going into the same problem with the electives and also with the Tech Pro? Because the Tech Pro and the electives, again, it's good on paper, good in intentions. I like the student choice direction. The doorway policy seems like, or the doorway option seems like a good policy. However, when you implement it, is a different scenario. So, learning from this current curriculum, aren't we going into the same problems again?
Okay. Before I answer that question, Sen, I just would like to clarify that our most recent number of electives for academic track is 36 and for Tech Pro is 42. Okay. I'd like to correct the assumption that all schools will offer all the electives. Those are just a menu of electives. We will need to teach the school heads how to plan for their elective offerings. Okay? So there are things that need to be considered in the offering of electives. One, of course, student choice, and that would mean student ability and student aspiration. Okay? We can get that from our NCAE, right? Our interviews with students and how teachers understand the ability and the aspirations of our students. But that one also is not enough. Okay? The planning should also include industry demands. Okay? We have to stop offering manicures and ano pa yung mga massage, foot spa, okay? When there's no demand in the locality or in the area. And DepEd, actually it's USEC Willie that has already prepared anong tawag doon? Yung kung saan ang mga industry. Right. We already have a mapping of industries in localities, okay, where schools are. So this could inform the choices of offerings of electives for our schools. The other one, of course, is teacher and other resources. Okay? Of course, it's going to be very difficult for principals to offer